संरक्षण और ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर में रेवेन्यू जनरेशन की दिशा में स्क्रैपिंग पॉलिसी काफी कारगर साबित होने वाली है। भारत सरकार द्वारा मान्यता प्राप्त देश के पहले ELV स्क्रैपिंग और रिसाइकलिंग यूनिट का उद्घाटन करते हुए आज परिवहन मंत्री नितिन गडकरी ने कहा कि रिसाइकलिंग से इंपोर्ट का बोझ कम होगा और प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट में कमी आएगी।
Actually, Indian automobile sector is very important sector in India. This sector is giving maximum employment potential, and this sector is giving maximum revenue to the state and central government. Today, all prestigious brands in the whole world, they are all present in India. And because of this scrapping policy, first of all, ecology and environment is very, very important, because the old vehicles creating a lot of pollution, and we are all facing the problem because of health problem, because of the air pollution. Particularly in Delhi, pollution is a big problem for all the society. And this is exactly one of the important solutions where we can reduce the pollution. But at the same time, for the economy also it is equally important. And I am confident that by this scrapping policy, our automobile industry will be more competitive in international market. Because of scrapping, we will get all the raw materials, the aluminum, copper, steel, plastic, rubber, everything with a lower cost, by which we can reduce the production cost, and we will be more competitive in international market. Presently, our turnover of our automobile sector is 7.5 lakh crores, out of which 3 lakh crore export is there. And as a transport minister, related with the automobile, my aim is to make Indian industry to the volume of 15 lakh crore within 5 years.